Gaining riches is a difficult and complex undertaking that requires a multitude of factors, including a lot of work, luck, knowledge, and time. As a result, being affluent may occasionally feel impossible. These are a few factors that may make having money appear challenging. Number 1. Lack of possibilities. Because of their restricted access to resources, career opportunities, or educational opportunities, certain people may find it more difficult to accumulate wealth. For instance, those who live in disadvantaged areas or in poverty might not have access to good education or job training programs, which could make it more difficult for them to find well-paying jobs or start successful enterprises. Furthermore, people who come from households that have a history of poverty or financial instability might not have access to the knowledge, resources, or assistance required to build wealth. Number 2. Uncertainty about the finances. When the economy is unstable, it can be difficult to take risks, make investments, and launch your own business, all of which are necessary for building wealth in the regular course of things. Those who depend on their salary to make ends meet, for instance, might not be able to invest in stocks, real estate, or other high-risk investments. Similar to this, persons lacking access to affordable healthcare or insurance would be unable to take risks without being concerned about losing everything if something went wrong. Number 3. Obstacles in the mind. Negative money-related attitudes and ideas, such as anxiety, self-doubt, and a scarcity mindset, may inhibit people from taking risks or from making good financial decisions. For instance, individuals from disadvantaged backgrounds may have negative associations with money and find it awkward to manage or discuss their finances. A person could be discouraged from trying again if they've already experienced failure financially or otherwise. Number 4. Significant living expenses. The cost of living in some places makes it difficult to invest or save enough money to become affluent. For instance, those who reside in pricey cities could find it difficult to pay for basic requirements like housing, food, or transportation, which leaves little room for investing or saving. Number 5. Being in debt issues. Due to the reduced quantity of money available for savings or investments, debt can be a substantial impediment to accumulating wealth. If a person has a lot of student loan debt, for instance, they may have to set aside a large amount of their salary each month to pay down the loans, which leaves little money left over for investing or saving. Number 6. Everyone in competition with you. Due to the fierce rivalry that exists across a wide range of business types, it may be challenging to stand out or be successful. An individual wishing to start their own firm, for instance, may face stiff competition from business owners or well-established businesses. In order to stay competitive, people who work in highly competitive fields like banking, law, or technology may also need to put in a lot of hours and keep developing their abilities. Number 7. It takes a long time in order to be successful. Building wealth may be a long, arduous process that calls for perseverance and patience, and many individuals may become impatient with the delayed results or lack of quick rewards. As an illustration, stock market investors could need to wait years or even decades to see large gains. It's also possible for business owners to toil for a while before seeing a profit. What is a bottom line, then? Allow me to explain to you. Making money is not difficult, despite these obstacles. Everyone may accumulate wealth over time with effort, commitment, and careful financial planning. While patience and perseverance may be required, there may be substantial rewards. It's critical to keep in mind that accumulating wealth requires not just earning income, but also prudent money management and sound financial judgment. An individual's prospects of accumulating money and reaching financial independence can be improved by setting specific goals, making a budget, and investing in a diversified portfolio.